Can you see?
Diver 2 is on bailout.
I will come back for you.
Rachel on board!
The thrusters have gone offline.
How many?
All of them.
Ship's moving. Get out of there. Right now. Copy that.
Tell us about yourself.
I don't know.
Cool, aren't you like some big...
Whoever's watching, I just wanted to say the Ascension is something that we've all been looking forward to. We couldn't be happier.
He thinks they need help.
Time is an illusion.
Welcome back sci-fi fans. Prime Video is hiding top 10 seriously brilliant sci-fi films deep in its library, and today we are digging them up from mind-twisting mysteries and high-speed adventure to superhero showdown, intense survival stories, explosive action battles and epic space exploration. This lineup is stacked with pure sci-fi fire, and trust me, you don't want to sleep on these hidden sci-fi treasures. Number 10. Black Box.
Who's there?
You need breakfast.
I'm fine.
I wasn't asking.
Nolan Wright, involved in a car accident resulting in the death of his wife. Set the black box. An immersive virtual pathway to your memories. I like to begin with something I call the safe room.
After a tragic car accident, Nolan struggles with amnesia, raising his daughter while clinging to fragments of who he was. Desperate, he agrees to an experimental treatment using a device called the Black Box, designed to unlock lost memories. But inside the machine, Nolan faces distorted visions, eerie figures, and unsettling truths that blur reality. Each session pulls him deeper into a nightmare where identity and deception collide. Number 9. The Endless. Brother Justin and Aaron, long exiled from a strange cult, receive a mysterious tape that pulls them back to the group they once fled. Hoping for closure, they return to the camp, only to find unsettling rituals, eerie symbols, and impossible events repeating around them. Time itself sends tripped in loops, bending reality into haunting patterns. As secrets unravel, the brother must decide whether to break free or surrender to the endless cycle. Number 8. The Waste of Night. In 1950s New Mexico, a small town prepares for a high school basketball game. Switchboard operator Faye and radio DJ Everett stumble upon a strange audio frequency cutting through the night. Curious, they chase its origin, interviewing witnesses, uncovering military secrets, and hearing tales of mysterious disappearances. As the signal grows stronger, the quiet town feels less alone, passed by something beyond the stars. Number 7. Synchronic. Steve and Dennis, two paramedics in New Orleans, encounter bizarre dust linked to a mysterious designer drug called Synchronic. Victims vanish, reappear, or die in impossible ways. When Dennis' daughter disappears after taking the drug, Steve discovers its terrifying secret. Synchronic allows users to travel through time, but only briefly. Battling illness and desperation, Steve experiments with the drug, facing danger across centuries. Number 6. Last Breath 2025. Far below the ocean's surface, a team of seasoned deep-sea divers faces the unthinkable. When one crew member becomes trapped hundreds of feet underwater, time and oxygen slip away. Battling raging currents, failing equipment, and their own fear, the divers launch a desperate rescue against impossible odds. Each moment is a race between life and death, where loyalty and bravery shine in the darkest waters. Coherence. On a quiet evening, 8 friends gather for dinner as a comet passes overhead. What begins as casual conversations turns unsettling when strange events ripple through the night. Phones shatter, power flickers, and never seems eerily familiar. Stepping outside, they discover overlapping realities where versions of themselves move between houses. Trust unravels, paranoia rises, and choices splinter into infinite possibilities. RoboCop. In a near future Detroit, corruption thrives and crime runs rampant. When honest cop Alex Murphy is critically injured in a brutal attack, multinational conglomerate Omni Corporation transforms him into RoboCop, a fusion of man and machine designed to enforce the law. Struggling between programmed duty and human consciousness, Murphy uncovers dark secret about the corruption what controls him. Torn between justice and control, he fights to reclaim his humanity while protecting the city he swore to serve. Coverfield Lane. After a car accident, Michelle awakens in an underground bunker with Howard, a survivalist, and another inhabitant. Howard insists the outside world has been devastated by a chemical attack, making the bunker their only refuge. Suspicion grows as Michelle notices inconsistent and unsettling behavior. Is Howard protecting her or imprisoning her? Tension builds until Michelle risks everything to escape, only to discover a shocking truth waiting beyond the bunker. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos related to news and series suggestion. Thank you.